Hello student, today we are going to learn an example problem. It's a ninth chapter, fourth problem, class 11 physics. The question is asked about the modulus of elasticity, especially shear modulus they asked. Okay, they applied force here. They asked how much displacement this block is going to move. Okay, now we'll see how to solve this problem. It's class 11 physics NCERT example problem. I applied here force. Okay, the force which is given in the question, already the value of the force is given 9.4 into 10 power plus 4 Newton I applied. Okay, the block is going to move this side. Okay, this way it's going to displaced. Okay, theta angle is going to be get displaced. Okay, this kind of thing and all we can take it as a shear modulus. The angular displacement will be happen. Okay, they asked how much dx displacement going to happen this way. Okay, this height is 50 centimeter. Okay, the base, this length is 10 centimeter. Okay, now they asked what is a displacement of the length. Okay, how much it's going to be, the block is going to displaced. Okay, dx, the changing length is a question mark. Okay, now we'll see shear modulus. Okay, shear modulus is called shear stress by shear strain. Okay, strain, so strain we can take it as theta, stress we can take it as a force per unit area, so strain we can take it as a theta. Okay, so G is equal to force per unit area divided by theta. Okay, this is what we can have the equation. Okay, first I will find what is a force per unit area, so which is called stress. Okay, stress is equal to force per unit area. How much force is given? It's going to be 9.4 into 10 power plus 4. Force is given. Area is how much? Length into breadth. Okay, area, so which side we applied the force? No, that area you can take it. Okay, height is 50 centimeter and breadth is of 10 centimeter. Okay, area is going to be length into breadth. Okay, so length into breadth we are taken. Length is 50, breadth is 10 centimeter. Okay, the problem always you should do in a MK system, meter kilogram second. Okay, the problem it is which is not in a MK system. Okay, which is given 50 centimeter and 10 centimeter. If you want to convert centimeter to meter, you should divide it by 100. Okay, divided by 100. Okay, so now area we can take it as a length into breadth. Okay, length is how much? 50. Okay, 50 centimeter if you are converting as a meter, it's divided by 100, so 0.5 meter will get. Okay, 10 centimeter if you are converting as a meter, divided by 100, you should divide it by 100, then only centimeter to meter conversion will be there. Okay, 0.1 meter. Okay, now area is going to be length into breadth. Okay, now easily we can calculate what is a stress. Stress is equal to force is 9.4 into 10 power plus 4, which is given in the question. Okay, area is length into breadth. No, length is 0.5, breadth is 0.1. Okay, now 10 power 4 as a numerator. Here if you are multiplying this 2, we will get 9.4 divided by 0.05 into 10 power plus 4. If you want to make it round number, numerator 100, denominator 100, you can multiple. It's a very simple calculation. Here 5 will be there. Okay, denominator will become 5. Okay, 1 0 I can make it here 94. 1 0 I increase the power 10 power plus 5. Okay, now 94 by 5, what we can get? That's going to be the stress. Okay, 94 by 5. Okay, into 10 power plus 5. 94 by 5, simple calculation. So 5, so it's going to be a 1 time, 4 will be there, 8 will get, again 0.4 will be there. Okay, again 8 will be there, so 18.8 into 10 power plus 5. Stress, no, force per unit area, Newton by meter square we can take it. Okay, so according to the book answer, 1 decimal they moved this side, so 1.88 into 10 power plus 6 Newton by meter square. So I got now what is stress. Okay, then if you want what is a changing length, already I told you shear modulus is going to be force per unit area, which is called stress, already we found, divided by theta. Okay, here like this only the angular displacement happened, dx only we are going to find. This length is going to be 50 centimeter. Okay, now this is called theta. Okay, when the angle is very small, this is angle is small only. Okay, sin theta is approximately equal to tan theta is approximately equal to theta. Okay, if you are taken tan theta opposite by adjacent, opposite is dx, adjacent is L. Okay, very simple formula. Instead of theta, because they asked what is a changing length, okay, instead of theta you can write as a dx by L. Okay, so theta you can take it this side, g you can take it this side. So theta is equal to force per unit area, that's called stress, divided by g. Okay, theta we can write changing length by it's going to be the length of the block, okay, is equal to force per unit area divided by g. This length also you can take it this side, finally you will get what is a changing length. Okay, force per unit area already we calculated, that's going to be called as a stress, 1.88 into 10 power plus 6. Okay, what is a length? Length is 50 centimeter. Already centimeter to meter calculation I told 50 centimeter 0.5 meter. Okay, 0.5 meter. What is G value now? G value, it's given in the question. Okay, it's going to be the modulus, shear modulus of the lead. Okay, shear modulus of the lead value, you can take it from the, you can refer the tabular column, 5.6 into 10 power plus 9. Okay, now we'll see how to do calculation for this. Instead of writing off, you can write instead of writing 0.5, you can write as a off. Okay, 1.88 into 10 power plus 6 divided by 5.6. Okay, 1 by 2. It's off, you can write as a 1 by 2. Okay, if you are cancel this, it will become as approximately 0.9. Okay, denominator already 10 power plus 9 is there, that you can bring as a numerator, become as a minus 9. Okay, now we'll see what's going to be happen. 0.9 into 10 power plus 6 into 10 power minus 6 divided by 5.6. Okay, now I want to make it as a round number. Okay, this is going to be 9, sorry, it's going to be 9. Okay, plus 6 minus 9 will have 10 power minus 3. Okay, next 0.9 5.6. okay, just numerator and denominator you can multiple the 10. Okay, this will become 9, this will become as a 56. Okay, now you can make it as a simple calculation, just I increased here one power, then you can increase here one here if you want to increase extra 0, here you can increase one power. Okay, 10 power minus 4 is equal to 90 divided by 56. Okay, because for calculation only I am doing this. Okay, 90, 56 will be there, 56 as a one time. Okay, the remaining will be 34 will be there. Okay, 0.0. so 336 will be the 6 times. Okay, so finally I will get answer as a 1.6 into 10 power minus 4 as a changing displacement. Okay, the displacement it moves, the blocks moves. Okay, meter. So already I know 10 power minus 3 meter you can call as a 1 millimeter. So we'll have 1.6 into 10 power minus 1 into 10 power minus 3 meter. This everything we can call as a millimeter. Okay, so 1.6 into 10 power minus 1 millimeter. So finally we'll have 0.16 millimeter as a displacement. Okay, thank you for watching my channel. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.